In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a personal account to a business account on Wise. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right in. First things first, if you don't already have your Wise account open, you'll want to log into it. You can do this either on your computer through the Wise website or by using the mobile app on your phone. Just enter your login credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, the next step is to look for your profile icon. This is typically either your name or a small picture of yourself located in the top corner of the screen. Go ahead and click or tap on that icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see different options. In that menu, look for the option that says Open a Business Account or Get a Business Account. This might sound a little different depending on when you're watching the video, but both phrases point to the same thing. It's essentially the starting point for the conversion process. Click that option, and let's move on to the next step. Now you'll be prompted to enter specific information about your business. It's pretty straightforward. You need to provide your business location, the type of company you run, the registered business name, and your tax or identification number, which is often something like an employer identification number, EIN, for those of you in the United States. Make sure to fill out this section accurately, as it's crucial for your account setup. After that, you'll need to provide a few more details, including information about your role within the business, the category your business falls under, and the size of your company. It may seem like a lot, but be assured that this information is necessary for Wise to comply with regulations and properly set up your account. Now that you've filled out the basic information, let's head over to the next screen. When you see a button that says Continue, go ahead and click on it. This will guide you to the next part of the setup. At this point, you may need to select your country, which is an important step since Wise operates differently depending on your location. Choose your country from the drop-down menu and then click on the Continue button again. You'll see an option for Self-Employed. Click on that to indicate your business structure. Not everyone will fit this category, but if you're a freelancer or running your own small business, this will likely apply to you. After selecting your option, hit Save and Continue to proceed. Keep going through the prompts, and as you do, you'll be directed to various sections where you can provide additional data about your business operations. You may need to select options for the type of financial services your business requires. Click on Financial Services, Products, or Holding Companies, and then click Save and Continue again. You may also need to specify if your services fall under investments or other relevant categories that apply to your business. This step ensures that Wise can provide you with the best possible options tailored to your business needs. In the upcoming sections, you'll be asked to indicate other specific functions of your business. For instance, if you identify as P1006 Business and Management Consultancy, make that selection. Again, after each selection, be sure to click Save and Continue to make sure all your input is recorded. Keep in mind that the process requires a bit of detailed information, but don't worry if it seems overwhelming. Just take one step at a time, and you'll be done in no time. Finally, after entering all the required information and making your selections, you should receive confirmation that your personal account has been converted to a business account. Congratulations! You've completed the conversion. With your new business account, you can take advantage of all the features Wise offers to businesses, helping you manage your finances more efficiently. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Until next time, happy banking with Wise!